Hey everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online on a PTC site called Neobux. I've been on this site for about 3 months now, and I have to say that it's totally worth it, and I'm very happy with the way it's improving and of course with my earnings. So let's start from the top and let me show you how to register. Now, as you can see, it's pretty simple to register. It's basic information. It's just important to have an email and one of these 3 accounts. But if you don't have one of these 3 accounts, it's okay. You can register without it and you can always add it later. So let me just log in first. Now you can see here secondary password. I don't have one, but if you feel safer, you can always make one. Now this is the home page. It may look complicated to you, but it's actually not complicated at all. I'll explain you now, but I won't explain you what these things are at the left or the top bar, because it's not that important. You will figure it out very quickly as soon as you register. So yeah, let me start here. These are the memberships that I have. Everyone starts as a standard membership. I upgraded to golden membership. These are the types of referrals that I have, the direct and rented. These are the advertisements that me and my referrals saw. These are different types of balances. All your earnings go straight to your main balance, and then you choose what to do with this money, or cash it out or invest it in your rental balance. These are my total earnings from the last 3 months. So yeah, these are 3 types of statistics. These are my advertisement clicks, these are my direct referrals, and these are my rented referrals. So it's nice to be able to control this and to always check it, how they're doing. So let me go to one of the most important pages of Neobux, and that's advertisements. Let's go. And as you can see, there are different types of advertisements. The most important advertisements are the orange ones. They give more money as well. I'll explain you a bit later why they're more important than the other ones. These ads are just basic ads. They just give you money and Neo points. These ads do something else as well, which I'll explain you later. I'll open one ad for you to show. So when you click on the ad, this red dot appears. Just click on the red dot. This ad will take around 5 to 10 seconds. The orange ones will take a bit longer as well. So there you go. This amount has been added to our account plus 1 bonus pack. Just close the ad, and it's the same thing for all the other ads and the orange ads as well. Now, one other thing is called ad price. For every ad you view, you get 3 ad price points as a standard member. Ad price is a advertisement game where you have the chance to win money or Neo points, or even golden membership. So it's very interesting to play this game. I will show you. Just click on it. Basically, it's just advertisement that you view. Very short ones, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 seconds, and then they let you know if you won something. They say nothing won this time. You can either go next or close it. I'm going to close it this time. So let's go to referrals now. Now there are 2 different types of referrals, as you saw in the beginning. There are rented and direct referrals. Let me start explaining the rented referrals. Rented referrals, you can rent referrals only once per week. There are so many different types of packs. The maximum amount of referrals you can rent is 100 per week. It costs $20. So why are those orange ads so important? Because the most money we earn on Neobux is by commission of our referrals. But if you don't view those orange ads, you won't get commission for the next day of your referral. So you must view those orange ads every day to get commission for the next day. Now, an important thing of your referrals is to control if they're doing good or they're doing bad. Sorry. So you must check their average. A very good tool to control their average is this slider bar. But for this you need to calculate your break-even point. Because you need to know with which referrals you're earning money, with which ones you're losing money. So yeah, this is very important. Now another thing is, if you're, for example, you're not happy with a referral, for example, then this one you're not happy with it, you can recycle your referral. It will cost you 7 cents or 93 Neo points. If you don't want to spend 93 points or 7 cents to recycle, you can let Neobux recycle it for free, but it will take longer. It will take 14 days, and then they'll recycle it for free. I advise you to not wait that long to recycle referral. I would recycle it after 4 or 5 inactive days of your referral. There's something called extend your referral. For example, if you're very happy with one of your referrals, you can always extend it for 15 days up to 240 days. Of course, 240 days will cost a lot more money. It will cost $1.34 to extend one referral for 240 days. One other very good way to extend your referrals is a function called autopay. I advise you to enable it, especially in the beginning. This is basically a function that allows you to extend your referral always for 1 extra day if they view at least 1 ad per day. Basically, they pay for themselves to extend themselves for 1 extra day to be a referral. So this is very interesting. It has a 50% discount, as you see in these options. You can see the different types of discount. Well, this gives you a 50% discount, which is pretty good. So yeah, I advise you to enable it. Now we can go to direct referrals. The best way to get direct referrals is using your referral link and post it on blogs or make videos or on social networks, and people then sign up with your referral link, and then you get commissions from them. And the good thing is that you don't have any costs. You don't have to recycle them or renew them. No costs at all, just commission. So that's very interesting. Let me explain you something else. Here you can see your advertisements clicks reset at 8:21. This means that if I view all my ads right now, the next day at 8:21 a.m., all my ads will renew. All my ads will be available again to view them. This is the current server time. I think it's New York. It's 10:40. There's a 6-hour difference with my current time. So if you want everything to work good, you need to control the times. I explain a lot more about this in my blog, where I have a complete Neobux guide. I'll put a link in the description for you to check it out. Yeah. So there are also 2 different types of strategies. There's a $0 investment. It means you can start earning money without investing anything, but it will take you a very long time to start earning. It will take you 25 days to earn 60 cents. So I don't think it's worth it. I think it's worth to spend a little bit of money. I invested $60 and I'm so happy that I invested this money. It just goes so much faster. You don't lose any time. And you will see good results very fast. So yeah, I advise you to invest some money. With $20 you can rent 100 referrals. So in 3 weeks I had 300 referrals. This is the maximum you can get as a standard member. And then if you want to upgrade to golden membership, you need to pay $90. But with 300 referrals, it won't take you that long to get to $90. So I will just keep clicking your ads and just getting commission of your 300 rental referrals, and just wait till you have $90 and then just purchase the golden membership, and then just keep on renting referrals every week. as much as you can. And yeah, this is the way to go. This is the best option. So yeah, if you want to give it a try, if you like it, I put a link in the description of Neobux, so it's easy for you to sign up. And if you would like to check out my blog, I also put a link in the description. My email is on the blog, so feel free to contact me for any issue you're having. So yeah, hope you enjoyed my video, and I wish you all the best. Good luck.